southeastern
County.
Wisconsin,
No
eastern
way.
Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:29 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lake Koshkonong, or near Jefferson, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Elkhorn, Delavan, Milton, Edgerton, Clinton, Darien, Lake Koshkonong, Richmond, Tiffany, Russellville, Allens Grove, Avalon, Chaupier, Emerald Grove, Johnstown Center, Indian Fort, Delavan Lake and Lima Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.